Hey, it's Tom here with Dalinghaus Construction. You've called in and scheduled an inspection, and we're going to tell you how it's going to go. The information is sent to me, which I'll get an alert. I'll go ahead and take a look at it and go through the notes, and either a day before or 2 days before, I will call to confirm everything and go over the notes, and then go ahead and confirm for the following day and the time. Typically, I like to be early for my inspections, pending traffic, of course. But I usually like to get there around 15 minutes before my inspections. So when I arrive to the client's home, I typically take a look from the outside. I always do, just to see if I can see anything, cracks or anything like that, roof lines. It's just something that I do. I'm sure others do it as well. But I'll go up to the front door, knock on the door, and ask them to show me exactly what's going on. I look at the garage reveal sometimes at the bottom to see if there's a gap, see if there's any subsidence on the sides. Roof lines from the fascia, I can sometimes see if it's not level or not. Cracks like in the corners of the garage, but also in the front of the house. If we're walking at the front door, if you see cracks or the side of the house, in the windows, stuff like that. Typically, I start from the outside in general. I'll go ahead and take pictures, and I'll take measurements while I'm doing that as well. I'll take a wheel, I'll have a laser level with me as well, and I'll do the entire perimeter. I usually start at one corner of the house, and I go around until I hit that corner. The home is a raised foundation. We obviously have to go inside the crawl space to see what's going on. But based off the elevations, the manometer reading that I took, it'll tell me, where I have some subsidence or some issues, areas of concern. So once I get into the crawl space, that I'll be focusing on those areas. I'll be taking a look at other areas as well, especially if the client says, hey, there's another area I'd like you to take a look at. There isn't a lot going on, but I did notice something. I'll go ahead and take a look at that as well while I'm in there. Typically on every inspection I do, once I'm done and I have my findings, I go over it with the client because I want to know what their expectations are from me based off of my findings, from what I tell them. Based off of their expectations, what they're wanting me to do will determine on what my repair plan is going to be and the approach that I'm going to present to them to achieve that. Typically, my repair plans are done the same day, if not within hours, depending on drive time and where the appointment location is at. But I would say 95 to 98% that it's done the same day. I'll send it off the proposal through our CRM program, and then I will go ahead and follow up either with a phone call or a text letting them know that I sent it. Please confirm that they did receive it, and also if they had any questions, feel free to call me, contact me any way that they'd like. Once again, this is Tom with Dalinghaus Construction, and just want to let you guys know that we never settle.